Are you tired of sweating it out till payday while your bills keep piling up? I get it. I've been in your shoes, and that's why I dug into the depths of the financial world to bring a solution right to your fingertips. Unearthing the magic of Even Instapay, an app with features like early access to earned wages and budgeting tools, could be a game changer for anyone struggling with paycheck-to-paycheck living. Intrigued? Let's dive into this comprehensive review. Here's what you need to understand from this video. Even Instapay is an app that offers early access to earned wages without any interest charges, making it a worthwhile option for those in need of a cash advance. The app provides budgeting tools that help users allocate funds and manage their expenses more effectively, improving their financial discipline and avoiding late payments. Even Instapay offers an automatic savings feature that allows users to effortlessly save a percentage of their paycheck every month, helping them build up a safety net for emergencies or future expenses. Is Even Instapay worth it? Even Instapay offers the convenience of accessing earned wages early without any interest charges, making it a worthwhile option for those in need of a cash advance. Pros and cons of Even Instapay. Even Instapay, like any other financial service, has its pros and cons. Pros: provides early access to earned wages, allowing users to get up to 50% of their earnings before payday. Offers interest-free cash advances. A huge perk, considering many cash advance services often charge steep interest rates. Users can receive funds either through direct deposit or as a cash advance at Walmart, offering flexibility in how they receive their money. Utilizes machine learning to enable effective budgeting and savings, helping users manage their finances better. Cons: availability of Instapay depends on the user's employer, so not all workers may have access to the service. Requires an Even Plus membership, which comes at an additional cost of $8 per month. The Even app may not connect to all bank accounts, and compatibility with smaller banks may vary. Some users have reported inconsistencies with transaction updates, which could potentially lead to confusion or mismanagement of funds. Please remember, while Even Instapay does have its perks, it's crucial for users to understand the potential downsides and ensure that it fits their financial needs and circumstances. Even Instapay offers early access to earned wages, budgeting tools, auto savings features, and multiple repayment options. Need to also know how this app can help you manage your finances and get ahead financially. Who is Even Instapay good for? Even Instapay is a great option for individuals who find themselves in need of quick access to their earned wages. If you're someone who often experiences financial emergencies and needs some extra cash before your next paycheck, Even Instapay can be a lifesaver. With the ability to access up to 50% of your earned wages early, you won't have to worry about waiting until payday to cover important expenses. Another group that can benefit from Even Instapay is those who struggle with budgeting and managing their finances. The app offers helpful tools that allow you to plan your monthly expenses and evenly distribute bills across your paycheck, making it easier for you to stay on top of your finances. Additionally, the automatic savings feature helps you build up a safety net for future emergencies. It's worth noting that Even requires users' employers to be partners in order for them to use the app. So if your employer has teamed up with Even, then this service can definitely be useful for you. Keep in mind that while there may not be any interest charges associated with using Instapay, there might be a monthly subscription fee depending on your employer. Setting up the Even app. Setting up the Even app is quick and easy. Here are the steps you need to follow. Download the Even app. Go to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Even Responsible Finance. Tap on the download button and wait for the installation to complete. Create an account. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and click on Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Remember, providing a valid phone number is crucial as it will be used to secure your Even account. Verify your phone number. After entering your phone number, Even will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter this code into the app to confirm your phone number. Link your bank account. To access earned wages and utilize other features of the app, you need to link your bank account with Even. Follow the prompts within the app to securely connect your bank account information. Set up direct deposit, optional. If you prefer to receive funds directly deposited into your bank account, which is usually faster than picking up cash at Walmart Money Center, you can set up direct deposit through Even. This requires providing relevant details like routing and account numbers. Remember that not all employers are partnered with Even, so make sure yours is before attempting to use their services. When setting up direct deposit or accessing cash at a Walmart Money Center, ensure that you have regular income from a reliable source. Keep in mind that while using the Even app is free for some users, there may be a monthly subscription fee depending on employer partnership. If you encounter any issues during setup or have questions about using the app, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. User satisfaction, reviewing ratings and feedback. As a cash advance user, I know how important it is to consider the experiences of other users before trusting a financial app. The Even app has received positive ratings and feedback from many users. With a rating of 4.9 out of 5, it's clear that the app has satisfied many customers. People appreciate its functionality, customer service, and its ability to track income and expenses effectively. Additionally, Even offers a 1-month free trial for new users, allowing you to test out the features risk-free. While there may be some negative feedback as well, with about 52.9% reporting negative experiences, it's essential to keep in mind that different people have different needs and expectations when it comes to financial apps like this one. Overall, if you're looking for an app that can provide early paycheck access along with budgeting assistance and automatic savings features, Even may be a reliable option based on the positive reviews from current users who are delighted with how the app facilitates their financial management goals efficiently. Even Instapay offers a convenient solution for cash advance users looking to access their earned wages early. With its budgeting tools and automatic savings feature, the app aims to help users manage their finances more effectively. However, it's important to note that while Even Instapay provides access to funds without interest charges, there may be a monthly subscription fee depending on the employer. Overall, for those in need of quick cash advances and better money management tools, Even Instapay can be worth exploring.